Okay, this one is on today from about about an hour and a half ago it started until the stuff's sold.
There is nowhere to park. We're here.
Right here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Wrong side of the street.
I thought that's where you were going.
No, I was gonna try and come in front of this car. But
No. Well, that one's sticking out, kind of.
Sneak up to the curb here.
I know, that's the bad thing with these areas. So where does it say you are?
I can't tell.
Oh, but you're
too zoomed out.
In
I'm in a map.
Okay, so
mapped
it's just
area.
spelt wrong or something.
Somewhere.
Okay.
Okay, let's check it out.
Okay.
Oh, drop my keys.
Man, we would have so many, because that'd be perfect for
Wookie
Mitch.
pies.
Be perfect for Mitch, right? Because he likes to cook.
Yeah.
It's too bad.
We can still get it for Mitch. Be like, hey, bud, we picked you up something. You should come over and get it.
Light fixtures. Oh, free things.
Yeah, are you interested in any of that?
No, well, there's a box here. I'm looking.
Oh, I didn't see the box.
Oh, yes, I want these because I want to eat them.
Oh my God,
They're
cake decorations.
They're so good. I bought them at garage sales before and ate them.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Oh, man. That is funny.
Yeah, they're so good. That must be for grommets. Or
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, is that all it is?
Okay.
It's not for rivets? Doesn't do riveting?
Oh, it would punch a hole for a rivet.
Ah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's the oddest looking hole punch I've ever seen.
Yeah. Oh, this is so soft. Oh, wear it inside out.
Oh God, today would not be a good day to wear that.
Yeah.
No, not today. Yeah, you might have a hard time selling any coats today.
Yeah.
Yeah, or blankets or
Yeah.
sweaters.
Yeah.
Yeah, the puppies.
All the dogs. Just wanna look at this one dress I see hanging down here. Oh, I see. Okay.
You tell them that you took that?
Yeah. Unless we can find something else to buy. A lot
Cake
of
pops.
and brownie maker, cupcake maker. They're all different.
Weird.
Yeah.
Baby cakes. Somebody like to make little cakes.
Yeah.
Oh, little tiny glue sticks.
Oh, what? Why?
I don't know.
Oh, glue skillet.
Oh, glue skillets.
Oh, you dip things in. Oh.
Oh. I was like, that'd be really tough to use in a
Yeah,
glue
I'm like,
gun.
why would they be so short? Like, how annoying. Just have to feed them in every...
Little pellets into the back of your glue gun.
Yeah. Oh, that's interesting.
Glue skillet.
I wonder how much it is. Do you see a price on
I
it?
don't. Oh, it looks pretty clean.
Well, you don't eat out of it. So
No, I know, but there
Yeah.
could have been glue residue in it.
That's true. What were their names?
Waldorf and
Starts with an S, the other one.
Stanton,
Yeah, something like that.
and
Good-
Waldorf,
good
something like
job.
that. I still don't think I got the other guy's name right. Well, it depends if you want to glue stuff.
Well, I use glue sticks or glue gun type thing, but yeah, I might use that if it's not too expensive.
Oh, here's the make your breakfast sandwiches in that.
Oh, yeah, you can toast and egg and
Yeah, so you
sausage, everything in there.
got all the gadgets.
Yeah, no kidding. How much are you asking for the?
Did I put a sticker on it?
Maybe, and I just didn't see it. I don't know. I'm wondering.
Thinking $5, but
Yeah, I do 5 on
we'll
it.
do 5.
Okay. Oh, you did have a sticker. I just didn't see it. And I found some.
$5. And those are free.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, for sure. Yep.
Well, for $5, if I don't use it, I won't feel too bad.
Yeah. You can sell it.
Yeah.
Thank you, darling.
Thank you. I see you got the beers going. That's good.
Yes, we're daydreaming.
You have to.
Oh, you have to.
That's part of garage sale. It's like, it's not a real garage sale if you don't day drink.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Good luck, guys.
You too.
So what do you do with that?
So you put the pellets in the thing and
Yeah,
it
you melt
So
them.
then if you're
You
making...
dip a pine cone in it? Is that what you said earlier?
That's what the picture is.
Swear to God, you said something about dipping pine cones in the glue,
No,
and I'm like,
no.
well, why would you want to do that?
I mean, you could.
Okay, glue dipped pine cones.
I think that's what's on the picture. I'll show you. But if you're making something that, like say you're making a wreath and you want to stick a lot of little things on it,
Oh, you can just
dip them and then stick
I
instead of
see.
using the glue gun. No, you can only dip pine cones.
I was like, what are they doing with that? Soaking a pine cone in glue. Is that a thing? I didn't know that was a thing.
Yeah.
Clearly,
I eat one every day.
clearly
so-
I'm not up on the latest arts and crafts.
No. Pine cone dipping.
Yeah. It's a thing, I guess. You dip your cone in there.
Yeah.
It's a French dip.
This one is today and tomorrow, and it started about 45 minutes ago.
All right, then I think it's right there. Yeah. Okay, let's check it out.
Yep. At first I was like, what? But that's the neighbor's garage.
Yeah. Give me a check.
Check. Hello.
Try and sneak away from a smoke.
Oh yeah, no.
Oh, my lighter.
Oh no.
Hold on, yeah.
I remember this one.
Okay. Cool. Okay.
Oh, look at these.
Ties are two.
Velvet trees.
Weird.
I like them. Not enough to buy them though, I don't think. Those glasses.
Crazy one.
I remember it was expensive here last time.
Yeah.
15, 16. How much are these? Box sets were 5.
That's sterling.
Okay. Okay. So what we were at working. Oh yeah, 19. Oh yeah, 21.
This reminds me of mine.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open this and have a closer look at some of these. That's worth some money.
Yeah, I got a
25 on it.
It's worth more than that, I bet. I should probably see if I can get it for 20, maybe.
Yeah, it looks to be in good shape.
No chips on it? You know we're not.
Oh, there's a chip right there.
Okay, no.
Yeah, I can.
Barely visible, but
Yeah, but
it is there.
It's there. Good eye.
No, I garage sell some stuff nobody wants to pay. But there are some stuff.
Aww. Hello. So cute. Ooh, this is pretty. It's a tray.
It's like trying to run a store here.
Yeah, it's...
Don't snap it off and be in trouble.
No, I just...
Watch out for that.
Skateboard?
Yeah,
It's kind of in a bad spot, isn't it?
it is.
Yeah, I remember it being expensive last time, too.
Yeah, you didn't get much last time.
Ooh. These are going to be pricey, though, too, probably. Or, oh, $5 each.
Well, that's a good
Does
deal.
that include the furs? Oh, that's mink, I think. Or muskrat. And this one too. Oh, look at that, it's black. Well, I'll definitely ask about that. Those are beautiful. Because they're not priced separately.
I'm not seeing another sticker.
No, I just saw this one. And like the suit isn't priced separately. So, yeah, I'm just gonna run and
Yeah, go ask them.
Okay.
Want me to sort of grab them?
We'll just stay near them. Do you know, are everything on that back rack $5? There's furs on there, and I'm curious. Oh, okay. Everything on the rack's $5. Like there's furs. I'm interested. $5. Awesome. Thank you.
$5.
Hello. How are you?
Good. I saw this online.
I saw
I clicked it.
I picked it up too. It has a chip.
Where?
Right. My husband saw it right here.
Oh, okay, just a little one.
Just yeah.
Barely visible.
But
Yeah.
because I was like, it's worth way more than that if without the chip. But with the
Yeah.
chip,
Do you think?
there are collectors. I don't know. It's Miss Priss. Is that her name?
No, Miss Dainty.
Oh yes.
I have Purse and Dainty and the other one, and it's so hard to find.
It is.
And then
it
they
is.
want $100 for the
Oh my
Etsy
goodness.
And, you know,
Holy.
So if you collect it,
yes, I do.
and you're keeping it, that's
Yes.
definitely worth it.
Oh, yeah.
Because a wall pocket is a little bit harder to find, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too bad about that.
Yeah.
But you can't really see it.
No. Do you wear those?
Yes.
I've never worn.
Oh my God. Best thing I ever did was wear a fur coat in the winter. Honest to God,
Yeah.
I can wear, like at a Christmas party, just a little dress underneath. And
go outside and
when it's
be
minus
and
30,
toasty.
and be totally warm.
underneath, yeah.
That's how warm they are. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
it's well worth
Like
it.
I know my dad, not
They're beautiful.
these, but
This one's just a
Mouton.
little one. Oh yes.
To make gloves.
Oh,
yeah.
yes.
Yeah, so
Mouton's so nice and soft.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't think you'd find anything here.
Did you hear it? You probably heard me.
Yeah, I heard him say,
Anything?
oh yeah, the furs are $5.
I was like,
I heard that.
sold. Sold, brother. Oh, sorry. Okay, now I have to hand them to you because I have to, unless you want to pay.
No.
Just stick your arm. Just stick your arm under there. It's much easier.
Okay.
There. And I'll just pay quickly and then. 3 of your luxurious furs, sir. I will not put them on today, though, boy. Thank you. What's that?
Expecting a cold winter this coming winter?
Every winter.
Yeah, pretty much.
Thank you, thank you. Have
Thanks,
a great
guys.
day.
Did you get that cigarette lit?
No.
Oh, jeez. Well, good luck with
You're
that.
gonna be resorting to
if I had a lighter, I'd
Yeah.
lend it to you.
Have a good day.
You too. Poor guy was out here trying to light his smoke with a barbecue lighter, and it wouldn't light. Like the barbecue lighter. It was empty.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm surprised.
Oh, got the best deal there.
Yeah.
Maybe the only one.
Yeah.
Well, that other lady was pretty happy though too.
True. And you would have bought that thing had that little chip not been there.
I would have.
Uh-oh.
Wow. Somebody was driving crazy.
I don't remember driving super crazy. I must have blacked out.
Probably. That's what happens when you start driving crazy. You
I
black out.
think the box has just got too many Archies in it.
Excuse me? Too many.
I mean,
look at how cute
for the
that
size
is.
of box, that is.
Little. This one's mink.
Yeah,
Cute little short one.
it is.
Oh my goodness.
This was a pretty good score. These 3.
And oh, that's different fur. That's probably.
Rabbit or something.
Yeah, rabbit or fox. It's kind of long. Oh yeah, I'm not sure. Oh my goodness.
So take that one.
Okay. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Look at full length.
Yes. That is
And they're in
beautiful.
nice condition.
Black.
Like they're like minty.
Yes.
Like even around, this is where they wear out.
Yeah, it's not
Like,
worn
did anybody
anywhere.
ever wear this?
I know.
Spend
For
it
$5.
was probably $3,000 new.
Or 5.
I'm not even joking.
No, yeah. Like 3,000 might have been a deal. People paid
This is
thousands for this
so
stuff back in
heavy.
the 80s and
Yeah, they must have had lots of extra money to spend that much on a coat. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Oh, my pretties.
And one last
and
one.
who's this? Who else is coming to live with me?
Looks very similar to the last one. There's some brown in this though. It must be a different fur.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. I think that might be mink also.
Okay.
Or it might be muskrat, I'm not sure. But even this one was a little bit worn, but so what?
Yeah. Still $5 is a
Yeah.
smoking deal. Look at that button with the jewels on it.
I know, they all have that. That one's missing,
Missing a couple.
Few. Yeah,
Or no. Maybe.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay.
this one isn't. But that one
Not that anybody would ever
got
notice.
banged on something
Yeah.
on the wrist. But oh yeah, even the original hanger from the furrier.
Yes. Regina and Moose Jaw.
Yeah.
The two cities that they operated in.
Yep. Oh my goodness.
Wow. That's a surprising find, especially at that sale.
I know.
Because that guy's prices are usually a little
did
up
you hear
there.
him? He does
Yeah,
clean-outs.
estate sale cleanouts or estate
So-
cleanouts.
He must have found them.
Wow.
Yay!
Yeah.
That's good.
That guy's not trying to have a sale there, is he?
What? Oh! No, I think it's just a bunch of junk. He's having a smoke?
You want to buy some junk?
No, thank you. Oh my god. A guy could like just totally get dehydrated.
Just driving around today.
I can't believe I just bought 3 more furs. Oh, I can't leave them for $5.
No, that's tough to just leave that behind, especially when the two of them are like mint.
Yeah, and one is slightly worn.
Yeah,
Like, I've seen a lot worse for more.
yeah.
I thought that guy was a balloon. Because he's bright blue. So rude.
That dude is not a balloon.
That dude is, he looked like a balloon. It's not my, if he chooses to go outside looking like a balloon, I might stop and try and garage sale over there.